morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Thursday, February 4th, 2021.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags. I pledge allegiance to the flag
of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
February is Black History Month. Today we will be honoring Katherine Johnson. Katherine Johnson was born on August 26, 1918 in West Virginia. She loved math in school at a young age and began college at the age 15. Despite barriers because of her race and gender, Johnson earned a job at NASA. She calculated the flight path for the first American mission in space. Johnson paved the way for women in African American fields in the math and computing.
Today is the 100th day of school. Here to help us celebrate, we have Michael and Trey. Let's celebrate! Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be partly cloudy with a high of 67 and a low of 40.
This Friday at 8 a.m., we will see the Ned Show. Never give up, encourage others, and do your best. Students will learn about the importance of these 3 life skills while also enjoying storytelling, magic, humor, and yo-yo tricks.
Next week, every school in LISD will be celebrating kindness together as one. February 8th through 12th. We will have dress-up days and daily challenges to remind us all to treat people with kindness. Monday will be kickoff Team Kindness. So plan to wear your favorite sports team jersey or fan gear.
Today in history, in 1906, the New York Police Department begins fingerprint identification.
Today is National Homemade Soup Day. This day recognizes soup. It provides a rich basis of flavor and deliciousness.
Yum.
In the headlines, kid with cancer sets up lemonade stand to raise money for her own cure. Cancer patient Alex Scott made up her mind that she was going to find a cure for her disease. Like many other kids who want to raise money, she set up a lemonade stand in front of her yard. Since the first day, her stand turned into a national fundraising movement.
Today's fun fact is, Pringles aren't actually potato chips. They are dehydrated potato flakes.
No way.
What?
Whatever.
Now for the joke of the day. What do you call a lazy baby kangaroo?
I don't know.
A pouch potato. That's all for today.
Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success.
I choose excellence.
I'm Aaliyah.
And I'm Malia.
That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bum.